Dear students, we'll see some more problems in this video. First problem what we are considered is for the system shown in figure, find g of s is equal to theta 2 of s by t of s. So diagram is given here like this. So we are having here two inertia, one inertia j1 and here k1 and b1 are parallel and beta 2. So here what I am taking here is these two are connected in parallel. So here we have connected here one node I have written here, and here these two dampers should not connect together, and these two damper and spring should not be connected together. For that one more node we need to take. So I have taken here theta 2 or 2 of t, and here they have given the values for j1, k1, k2 and b1 and b2 values they have given. Now let us see how to solve this problem. So now for this given problem, what I need to write is first the mechanical network for the given problem I need to take. For that, writing the mechanical network, I need to take the two nodes as shown in the diagram. So take the two nodes here, theta 1 and theta 2. According to that, I am writing the diagram here. So the mechanical network means whatever the mechanical system, the element they have given, same diagram should replicate in the mechanical network also. So I have written the expression as T is equal to J1 d square theta 1 by dt square. Since these two, spring and damper, are between the two nodes, so I need to take B1 d theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by dt plus K1 theta 1 minus theta 2. So this is for the node 1. Now if I consider for the node 2, that is 0 is equal to k1 theta 2 minus theta 1 plus b1 d by dt of theta 2 minus theta 1 plus b2 d by dt of theta 2 plus k2 into theta 2. So I am calling this as expression 1 and expression 2. For the above expression, I need to take the Laplace transform. So this t will become t of s, and here j1 d square by dt square is s square j1 plus s d by dt is s b1 plus k1. So here k1, because all the term theta 1 theta 1 theta 1 is there, so we have taken here theta of 1 of s as common. And if I come for the theta 2, so this is minus s into d by dt is s into b1 I have written here, plus, since I have taken here minus, so I am getting here the plus term k1 into theta 2 of s. Similarly, we'll write for the second expression Laplace transform. So this is 0, and here also we'll take theta 1 of s as common. So here the value will be minus of s into b1, that is d by dt is s and b1, then plus k1. So here k1 theta 2 term is there. So I have written here the theta 1 of s here, theta 1 and theta 1. I have written the terms here. So since it is minus minus, I have taken here minus outside. Plus, if I take theta 2 of s as common, so theta 2 of s, theta 2 of s, theta 2 of s and theta 2 of s. So first one what I'm getting here is k1 and here k2. So k1 plus k2, and the second one is I'm getting here b1 and b2. So b1 plus b2 into s. So now theta 1 of s is equal to s into b1 plus b2 plus k1 plus k2 divided by s b1 plus k1 into theta 2. So substituting this expression in equation 3. So t of s is equal to j square j1 plus s into b1 plus k1 into s b1 plus b2 plus k1 plus k2 divided by s b1 plus k1 theta 2 of s minus s b1 plus k1 theta 2 of s. Now in this both the term theta 2 of s is common. So now after multiplication, after simplification, what I am getting here is t of s is equal to s square plus s plus 1 into 2s plus 2 divided by s plus 1 into theta 2 of s minus s plus 1 into theta 2 of s. And also initially you have seen the values they have given for the j, b and k. All the values we need to substitute. All the values we need to substitute and simplify. We simplify, I am getting the equation like this. So after that, in the last step, what we need to write it is here is in both the expression you can see here theta 2 of s as common. Take theta 2 of s as common and take the LCM and simplify the expression. So I'll get theta 2 of s by t of s is equal to 1 divided by 2s square plus s plus 1. So now we'll see the second problem. Show that the two systems shown in the figure A and B are analogous by comparing their transfer function. So you can observe in the diagram, one diagram is for electrical system and one more diagram what they have given is mechanical system. Now I need to find the expression for this. So first the network I considered. Here we have written the network in terms of Laplace transform. So input is V1 of S R and capacitor will be 1 by SC and output is V2 of S. So now in this diagram I will write the first expression for voltage. So V1 is equal to I into R plus 1 by SC. So and for the V2, that is the output voltage, V2 is across the 1 by capacitor. So V2 is equal to I into 1 by SC. So now I is equal to SC into V2 and V1 is equal to SC V2 into R plus 1 by SC. So now I can write it as V2 of S by V1 of S is equal to, that is here you can see V2 of S by V1 of S and take the LCM. So here SC will get cancelled, remaining term will be 1 by 1 plus S into RC. So I am calling this as expression 1. Now next I am taking the mechanical system. For that I have written here mechanical network with the two nodes x1 and x2. So f of t is equal to k into first node x1 minus x2, and for the second node what I need to write is 0 is equal to k x2 minus x1. So plus b dx2 by dt. So now taking the Laplace transform for the equation 2 and 3, f of s is equal to k into x1 of s minus k2 into x of s into k. So here both the expressions, and second one is 0 is equal to k into x2 of s minus k into x1 of s plus here b s x2 of s. So now from equation 4, what I can write is x1 of s is equal to 1 by k into f of s plus x2 of s. So this expression I need to substitute in expression 5. So this is expression 5. I need to substitute the value. So 0 k into x2 of s minus k. So this is x1 value. Write the x1 value plus bs and x2 of s. x2 of s I have written here, same as it is I have written here. Now f of s is equal to bs into x2 of s. Substituting in equation 4, bs x2 of s is equal to k x1 of s minus k x2 of s. That is, if I take x2 of s, x2 of s will be bs plus k. See here x2 of s is there and here also x2 of s is there, bringing RHS term to the LHS side. So it will be x2 of s is bs plus k and remaining term is k into x1 of s. So now x2 of s by x1 of s, this is equal to k by bs plus k. That is x2 of s by x1 of s is equal to 1 by 1 plus s into b by k. So this is expression 7. So equations 1 and 7 represent the transfer function are similar and hence the system are analogous in nature. So this is the procedure to solve the problem if they have given mechanical system and the electrical system. So now the next problem is similar type of problem. Here also we are asked about the mechanical system and the electrical system. So here you can see here the node x1 we have taken because both should not be connected together, damper and the spring. So here also one more node I need to take, and here they have given the electrical system. So now we write the equilibrium expression as d1 into dx0 by x1 by dt plus k1 x0 minus x1 plus d2 dx0 by dt plus k2 into x0 is equal to 0. For this above expression I need to take the Laplace transform. So d1 s into x0 minus x1 plus k1 x0 minus x1 plus d2 s x0 plus k2 x0 is equal to 0. Now I'll take x0 term as common. So if I take x0 term as common, s into d1 plus k1 plus d2 into s plus k2 minus if I take x1 term as common, so it is d1 into s plus k1 equals 0. Now x0 by x0 of s by x1 of s will be d1 s plus k1 divided by s d1 plus d2 plus k1 plus k2. Now for the second equation, so I have written here the Laplace transform. So write the expression for the first expression I have written here. So that is E1 of s is equal to I1 of s, because all the elements current I1 is flowing. R1 plus 1 by SE1 plus R2 plus 1 by SE2. This is expression 1. For the output side, E0 of s is equal to I1 of s R2 plus 1 by S into C2, because this is in the output side. Now I1 of s is equal to E0 of s into S into R2 after taking the LCM and cross multiply. So 1 1 plus S R2 into C2, calling as expression 2. So now substituting in equation 1. So this is the expression E naught of E1 of S is equal to, substitute I1 of S, I have substituted, and write the remaining expression as such I have written here. So finally I need the value that transfer function is E naught of S by E1 of S. This is 1 plus S R2 C2 divided by S C2 R1 plus C2 by C1 plus S C2 R2 plus 1. So I can prove that both the transfer functions are analogous.